Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'll say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then together we'll blend the word. S, w, a, m. Swam, st, e, p. Step, sk, e, p. Skip, s, n, a, g. Snag, s, k, e, ch. Sketch, s, p, a, n. Spun. Good. All right. Remember, today we are listening for blends that are coming at the end of the word. These are S blends, so we'll listen real carefully. I'll say the word first, you repeat the word, and then let's identify the ending blend sound. The word is wrist. The blend is st. The word is wasp. The blend is sp. The word is dusk. The blend is sk. The word is test. The blend is st. The word is wrist. The blend is st. The word is grasp. The blend is sp. The word is toast. The blend is st. The word is lisp. The blend is sp. The word is best. The blend is st. The word is task. The blend is sk. Good. You know, those S blends are a little tricky because they're new for us, but we're going to keep practicing them. All right, we're going to segment some phonemes now. So I'm going to say a word, you repeat it, and then we'll chop it into individual phonemes. Snap. S, n, a, p. Slip. S, l, I, p. Skunk. S, k, a, n, k. Slam. S, l, a, m. Sped. S, p, e, d. Stunt. S, t, a, n, t. Good job. All right, get your fists ready because we're going to substitute phonemes. The word is stick. Change st to sl. Slick. The word is sled. Change sl to sp. Sped. The word is slim. Change sl to sw. Swim. The word is stunk. Change st to sk. Skunk. The word is swell. Change sw to sp. Spell. Good job. Okay. Now we're going to start with the ending part of the word, and we're going to add a s to the beginning to make an S blend and to change our word. The word is till. Add s to the beginning. Still. The word is pat. Add s to the beginning. Spat. The word is wing. Add s to the beginning. Swing. The word is nag. Add s the beginning. Snag, the word is lip. Add s to the beginning. Slip. Good. Now we're going to start with the whole word and we're going to remove just the s sound to see what we're left with. Now each of these words is going to start with an S blend, so it's important that we're careful when we're removing just the s sound and leaving the next consonant there. The word is slap. Without s, the word is lap. The word is swept. Without s, the word is wept. The word is smug. Without s, the word is mug. The word is stick. Without s, the word is tick. The word is scan. Without s, the word is can. Good job.